Restaurant. Dito din po sa DCC po ito. Tabi lang po ng damba ng kinainan namin before. So now guys, nandito kami sa Eat All You Can with the what is this?
Amerika yan eh.
Yan po. Street seafoods. Ayan po guys, ang mga food nila. Ayan guys. Masarap. Masarap yun.
Hi Wishers! This is Angela Ken. For our Wish exclusive videos,
Ito na guys, ang mga sweet nila, mga dessert. Okay, good. Ayan guys. Vegetable fried rice. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Seafoods. Oh my God, guys. Ayan na po. Ang sarap-sarap. Sira ang diet, guys. Super sira ang diet. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh my God. Okay, guys. La Mesa Restaurant here in DCC. So, ang ganda. Okay. Ayan guys, ready na kami for the food. Lapang na guys. Lapang talaga, lapang. Lapang talaga guys.